1957 Firestone 5 horsepower, made by Atwater. It's a real clean motor I brought back from the dead that had some crazy service done to it in years past, I guess. The typical water pump problems with the water pump under the power head, and somebody was in there and broke some bolts off and cracked the housing. It was just a mess. So instead of trying to put old stuff back in there, I actually adapted it to a Honda 9.9 4-stroke impeller, which had the same inside diameter, and the outside diameter was very close, but not close enough. So I actually epoxied the liner from the Honda inside the Atwater pump, and it seems to work great. Let's fire this up and check it out. That hole is so small, it keeps getting clogged up with the broken leaves I have in the test tank. So it's definitely pumping well. Out in a lake. Kind of hard to do here with the exhaust being stuck up by the carburetor, but it's ready for the lake.